Welcome to How to Sell Digital Products on Amazon. My name is Dave Espino, and along with my co-instructor John Colley, we'll be your instructors on this course. I hope you're ready for one of the most exciting developments that has come along in the digital information product space, the ability to sell digital products on Amazon. I've been selling physical products on Amazon since 1999, when I was very active in e-commerce, selling on eBay, Amazon, and Yahoo auctions. I fell in love with digital information products when my first ebook, Beyond eBay, generated $3,000 a month in passive income. I thought to myself, finally, here's a product that I don't have to ship. I was so excited about that. And then a little over a year after launching my ebook, I was contacted by an infomercial company, and within months, we launched my national eBay infomercial selling my How to eBay training course. My infomercial was seen in millions of households, and we did $140 million in sales of that information product. The infomercial changed my life. It allowed me to make my first millions, and it locked in my love of selling information products. I've since gone on to teach my business and marketing strategies through online courses, and have amassed over 50 online courses that today give me a massive passive income. In this easy-to-follow, no-fluff course, you're going to get the step-by-step guidance you need to sell your own digital products on Amazon. When you've completed this course, you'll be able to sell PDF reports, text-based courses, video courses, audio courses, and even software and other types of digital products. Bottom line, if you've created a legitimate digital product, you can sell it on Amazon using this system. I discovered this strategy through a lot of trial and error, and have now listed over a dozen of my online courses on Amazon using the system. I'm happy to say that I've introduced my system to thousands of online marketers, and now you get to list your digital products on Amazon too. So in the first part of this course, I'll be showing you this little-known way to get your online courses and other types of digital products listed for sale on Amazon. Then, in the second part of this course, you'll be learning from veteran Udemy instructor John Colley as he shares with you his strategies for optimizing your listings so that you make more sales on Amazon. Are you ready? Let's get started.